Alright guys, so today's video is about how to get messages of WhatsApp in SmartWatch T55. So I'll be showing you how you can get WhatsApp messages on your smartwatch. If you are using a Fit Pro smartwatch or Fit Pro app, just watch this video. First thing to do is to make sure that your Fit Pro app is connected to your smartwatch. So you open your Fit Pro app, and as you can see, it's connected, but let's just check if it's connected. You go to the set option here. Once you select the set option, you can see right T55 on my Fit Pro app. Just use the find option and see if it's going to ring. Now it is ringing. That shows it is connected. Once you have done that, just keep the watch to a side, and now you are going to select the message option here, message push option. So you select that. It's going to take you to the message push option page where you can see a lot of options to toggle. Here you can see WhatsApp, you can see Twitter, you can see Facebook, quick reminder, WeChat reminder, call and SMS reminder. So if you want other options like this, you can pick them, but for today's video I'll be picking the WhatsApp option here, and you are going to see a pop-up message that says notification read permission, whether to allow open. Then you select open option. Once you select the open option, it's going to take you to the notification access page where you are going to see some apps there. So just select the toggle option that is opposite Fit Pro app. So once you select that, you are going to see another notification access, then select allow. So once you have granted the permission here, then you select the back button here, and it's going to take you back to this page. So when you get to this message push page, then select your WhatsApp once again, and you can see it says committing set successfully. Once that is done, that means your WhatsApp is ready to work. Now you can now go back. If you want other options, you can just toggle them on and it will work for you. So you select the back option here, and now you can see it is up and running, and I'm going to be testing it out for you right now while I bring a new phone and send a message to this. So let's test it if it is working. I'm going to send a message to this smartphone and see if it's going to work. So I sent a message right now. As you can see, it shows right on the smartwatch that have you subscribed. Right on my WhatsApp, you are going to see that it says have you subscribed. Okay, and right here on the T55 smartwatch, when you scroll down, you are going to see have you subscribe option here. Okay, so that is how to get messages of WhatsApp in SmartWatch T55. And if you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. I remember Babatunde Motayo. Stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.